This is all so confusing. So what the hell is dynamic idle? And BL Heli 32 by RPM frequency. Just have a listen to this clip, guys. It tells it all.
Yo, that's the ADDICT here. Remember guys, the whole point of my YouTube channel is this cryptic clues. The best way I could come up with of how to leave messages for people I love, people I don't see, people that I've upset in the past. Really, you know, I wasn't a nice person. Yeah, drones have really saved my life. Anyway, check this bad boy out, you're gonna love it, you really are. This thing floats like a butterfly, and you know the rest, stings like a bee.
See ADDICT FPV drone. So in BL Heli 32.9 we're using by RPM. So please read up on this and watch all the videos, but the way I understand it, yeah, is I go back to my car days, and it's just like the electronic ignition, the timing of a car. You've got torque and braking on the motors at the low end of the frequency, and at the top you've got a smoother, high RPM running motor. Now listen to this guy, Chris Rosser. He's a legend. Without him, I couldn't do what I'm doing. Now down to the nitty gritty. Have a gander at this, pause the video if you want to, and let's go through it. Firstly, let's assume you have bi-directional D-shot enabled. Now what Chris is saying is that he has found that the best optimum tip speed is 30 miles per hour at the dynamic idle minimum RPM. And he's made a conversion chart for us guys with a tolerance of 5 to 10% if you have a steeper pitch prop. So let's talk through what's actually happening in that video clip, yeah? And then that's it for this video. So at the moment, the variable by RPM is probably somewhere between 48 and 1 to 8 because it's just cruising, saving energy. It doesn't need the torque. So watch the amp pull, watch it. You watch it rise as we go up. Now we're down in the low end torque, 24k all the way. Just listen to how smooth their motors are. Now here's the clever bit coming up. Listen to the motors brake. Wow! Now here's dynamic idle. Look at the amps. It's not even 1 amp. Here's dynamic idle. All the way, dynamic idle. 0 throttle, but I still have total control. This is where dynamic idle is so important. It gives you the hang time. Now the motors are starting to ramp up as I pull out of the dive.